Hey guys, so today we're going to do a little bit of trigonometry, mainly focused on 90, 180, 270, 360, the sine and cosine and tan values. Um, this is kind of an easier way to memorize them, but also for you to more understand the way that unit circle works. So this is the unit circle, right? It has radius 1. I switched up the x and y axis, that's my bad. X and Y. So the first thing I'm going to do, so let's say I have a line from right here to here, right? And I draw this line, right? Boom. Okay, so since we know this is a unit circle and 0, 0 is the center, this is the radius, and the radius, as we just said, is 1. This is 90 degrees, and this is theta. Okay, so what is this value right here? This is the y value, right? So this point right here is just any number, x, y. So this vertical length is y, right? And this horizontal length is x. So now what we can do is sine of theta. What is sine of theta? Sine of theta is just opposite over hypotenuse, which is y. Cosine of theta is adjacent over her hypotenuse, which is x. So now we know this, we can just put in these two right here. So now we know that this is actually the same as cosine theta, sine theta. And this is actually really helpful. So obviously this right here, this angle is going to be 0 degrees. And using what we know, cosine theta, sine theta. So cosine of 0 is equal to 1. Sine of theta, or sine of 0, sorry, is 0. We just look at the x and y coordinates of each one. So we can keep going. So right here, so this one, this is 90 degrees. And we can easily see that cosine of 90 is 0, right? We're just using what we know here. And then sine of 90 is equal to 1. So this is really helpful for if you need to memorize these. You don't have to memorize a bunch of other things. You can also just draw this out really quickly. And again, this is 180, and this is going to be 270. You use the same pattern. And to find tan, the tan formula is sine over cosine, or opposite over adjacent. So, for example, tan of 0 is just going to be sine, which is 0 over 1. So tan of 0 is just 0. And so this is a really quick way for you guys to understand the unit circle and to do the 0, 90, 180, 270, 360 degrees. I hope this helps. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.